Todd with MarineMax in Panama City Beach. This is a 2018 Grady-White 375 Freedom. Everybody knows the big dual console boats are great for entertaining. There's tons of seating in the bow, lots of space under the helm. You've got a great outdoor kitchen with a grill and a sink and a refrigerator. What people don't talk about as much on these boats is how great they are to fish. So, you've got a dance floor of a cockpit back here, tons of room to fish. Everybody knows on the Gulf Coast we do most of our fishing off the back of the boat anyway. So, tons of room to fish, huge refrigerated fish box and live well. And since we're fishing, the outdoor kitchen I mentioned earlier is now your bait and tackle station. Fishing, you spend at least half your day on the ride out, the ride back, and the ride between spots while you're fishing. And even on a big center console, even on a 37 or 40 foot center console, there's only so much room out of the elements, out of the sun, and under the hardtop. In this boat, you can easily seat 6 people under the hardtop, out of the elements, in an enclosed air-conditioned space for the ride out, the ride back, and the ride between spots. This boat is absolutely loaded with electronics, 2 19-inch Simrad screens, radar of course, autopilot, VHF, remote spotlight, and Helmmaster docking with set point to keep you on your fishing spot. For overnight fishing trips or a weekend getaway, you got a very comfortable place to sleep. And on the other side, a well-appointed and spacious head. Spacious bow, huge layout areas. These also convert to tables and raise and lower electrically. This is the ultimate do-anything boat, but don't forget how good it fishes, because I would rather fish a big dual console than a big center console any day. Come down and check out this boat at MarineMax in Panama City Beach.